Okay, opportunity surface. This is a very cool way to control your luck, really. So a traditional way is to find the jobs and the opportunities out there that resonate with you, and then skill up and make yourself available for those opportunities by going to auditions and letting them know. But what about all the opportunities you don't know about? What are you going to do for them to find you? If you can't find those opportunities, how are they going to find you? So this is how we control our luck a little bit more. Excuse me. Is we're going to talk about taking control of your career by generating a massive surface of opportunity. So will an opportunity land on your doorstep? Yes, they can. Majority of them, though, are the ones that you know about, or if somehow there's some networking channel, which kind of works about if you're networking, then you're expanding your surface. Okay. So the things that will land on your doorstep are the things that you know about, but that's it. Okay. And there is lots of opportunity out there. So now that you know that and you know the opportunities are available for you, how do you expand this surface so that you can find the ones that you don't know about? What you need to do is start creating opportunity. So what you do with that is start thinking about all of, say you're a contemporary dancer and you want to be in a contemporary dancing company. You have to think about all the things that could be valuable to a contemporary dance company and things that still resonate with you, and start working on those things on your own behalf, taking your own time without any money, just putting time in. And what happens there is, this is your little surface here and you're waiting for that opportunity. You start skilling up and valuing those things. So you make a project, a choreography project with a beautiful story that resonates with the contemporary work that you like doing. And that expands your surface because you post that, you put it online, you show people what you're doing. And then what happens is all these opportunities that you didn't know about now have a chance to see your work. Yeah. Or they Google search something, or, you know, some casting company sees your work, and then this company here goes to that casting company and now they know about you. Yeah. But that casting company didn't know about you until you created this work, until you created this content. Okay. So we're trying to expand this surface as much as possible so that we're catching all of the opportunities that you didn't know about. So now, instead of just this one opportunity, you got others. And what's really cool is once this puppy lands on your surface, it turns around and tells everyone else that they know that's on their surface. Okay. So then what happens is you end up with these so many, and you're just this one little person that can't do all the opportunities. So now you get to choose which opportunity you have. So we just want to really focus on taking control of our career by expanding our opportunity surface. Yeah. Promote your opportunities. And then if you're struggling to create opportunities, then what you have to do is diversify your input. And what I mean by that is, if you are a contemporary dance company, dancer, and you know everything about contemporary, then, and you've done everything you can to expand that way, then you have to start looking at different things. So start experimenting with hip hop or tap or whatever it is. Doesn't mean you have to become a tap dancer, but experiment with that and bring it in and take the input just so it triggers something else so that you're thinking in a different way. Okay. So really bring in different parts of input, start working on passion projects and things like that, that can promote the type of person you are, that'll expand your surface and open these opportunities that you didn't know existed. So awesome. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye.